everyone, and nice to be here. So it's a big pleasure to have today in Italy our new partner, Max from ProductionToGo. Hi Max, so can you just let us know more about ProductionToGo? Thank you.
So we're one of the largest resellers in Central Europe. We're selling multiple technologies, basically everything on the polymer side, now also the high temperature super polymer FDM machines. And we also have a metal division for basically the indirect processes like handmade materials, but also binder shedding.
Very good, Max. Just for having an idea, can you just explain us how do you see the potential of our products in the market? Where do you see that our products will be successful?
Yeah, so today we're looking for partners that have scalable technologies, that have technologies where customers can end up buying 1, 2, 5, 10, 20 machines. We also feel extremely sure on the technical side where the machines are built properly, a lot of stuff copied from the CNC area where the repeatability and the process stability is very, very high. So we feel very comfortable on the machine side, but also on the machine material ecosystem, at the end of the day, where we do think that once the customer interacts with the Roboze products, they will stay in the area and also continue at the end expanding the business there.
So Max, if you have to suggest why to become a Roboze partner, what will be your suggestion? Why you should?
Yeah, I mean today we're looking for stable companies to partner with, for companies that will be here in 5 and 10 years, and we do feel very, very comfortable that the technology will also develop at a speed and at a pace where we can keep up with market demands, but also where we have a company that's well funded, that's well run, that's well established, where at the end we get the combination of having a great team that works with us, but also feeling the passion for the industry for 3D printing, and so we feel very, very good about the partnership.